वे कमलिया वे कमलिया वे कमलिया मेरे नादान दिल। वे कमलिया वे कमलिया वे कमलिया मेरे नादान दिल। दो नैनों के पेचीदा सा गलियारे, इनमें खोकर तू मिलता है कहाँ। तुझको अंबर से पिंजरे ज्यादा प्यारे, उड़ जा कहने से सुनता भी तू है कहाँ। गल सुन ले गल सुन ले वे कमलिया मेरे नादान दिल। वे कमलिया वे कमलिया वे कमलिया मेरे नादान दिल। क्या करना है तो प्यार कर, पूरी दिल बात कर कमलिया। वे कमलिया मन मर्जी करके देख ले, अगले में सब कुछ हार कर कमलिया। वे कमलिया
तुझ पे खुद से ज्यादा यार की चलती है। इश्क है ये तेरा या तेरी गलती है। गर सवाब है तो क्यों सजा मिलती है। दिल लगी कि तेरी आज कल परसों की नींद ले जाती है। लौट के बरसों की मान ले कभी तो बात खुद गर्जों की।
जिन पे चल के मंजिल मिलनी आसान हो, वैसे रास्ते तू चुनता है कहाँ। कसती है दुनिया कस ले फिक्रे ताने, उंगली पे आखिर गिनता भी तू है कहाँ। मर्जी तेरी जी भर ले वे कमलिया मेरे नादान दिल। वे कमलिया वे कमलिया वे कमलिया मेरे नादान दिल। मन मर्जी करके देख ले, अगले में सस्ते वो बेगाने, झूठे वो अफसाने, तू न हो जिनमें। ओ थोड़ी उम्र है प्यार ज्यादा मेरा, कैसे बता ये सारा तेरा होगा। मैंने मुझे है तुझको सौंपना, बाहों पे राहों पनाहों पे, आहों पे बाहों पे, साहों सलाहों पे, मेरे इश्क पे हक हुआ तेरा। ओ माही माही रे, ओ माही ओ माही, ओ माही ओ माही, ओ माही ओ माही, ओ माही ओ माही, लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा। ओ माही माही रे, माही ओ माही, ओ माही ओ माही, ओ माही ओ माही, ओ माही ओ माही, मेरी वफा पे हक हुआ तेरा। लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा। लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा। लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा। मेरे इश्क पे हक हुआ तेरा। लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा। माही माही रे, माही रे। हो आधा तेरा इश्क आधा मेरा, ऐसे हो पूरा चंद्रमा। ओ तारा तेरा एक तारा मेरा, बाकी अंधेरा आसमां। न तेरे संग लागे बांधे जो पीपल पे धागे, इस सुरम के धारे बहते हैं नजरे बचा के। बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी में और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी में और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। माथे से लगा लूं हाथ, छू के मैं पैर तेरे, हो रख लूं मैं तन पे जख्म, बना सारे बैर तेरे। रुकना नी तू हुण रुसड़ा नी मैं, तेरा नी रहा तेना खुद दा भी मैं। दुनिया तू ही है मेरी पर नाना, अब नाना मैं नहीं आना। शहर तेरे जो फिर संग लागे, रखते वो हमको जला के। वो आधे झूठे वादे ले जा तू कसमें लगा के। रग रग में मलंगा है ये इश्क रे, क्यों लहू में ही रंगा है ये इश्क रे। हो बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी में और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। ओ सारी यादें पानी में आज बहा दे। ये तेरी भीगी आंखें रख लूं लबों से लगा के। मैं समंदर परिंदा है ये इश्क रे, मन मातम और जिंदा है ये इश्क रे। ओ बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी मैं और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। ओ बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी मैं और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। फलक से मैं सितारे तोड़ के जमीन पे लाऊंगा। इजाजत दे जहां भी हो तेरी खुशी ले आऊंगा। कोई जगह ना पता जहां न तू हो दिखा, तेरे नाम से शुरू है हर दुआ। तेरे नाम से नाम जुड़ा के, तेरी राह में शाम सजा के, रब तुझको मान लिया जो तेरे संग इश्क हुआ। वो तेरे नाम से नाम जुड़ा के, तेरी राह में शाम सजा के, रब तुझको मान लिया जो तेरे संग इश्क हुआ।
तेरे ख्याल का शहर में हूँ, तूने मुझे बसा दिया। तू है किनारा तो लहर में हूँ, आके तुझे है छू लिया।
तेरी सांसों में घुल गया हूँ, तेरे छूने से खिल गया हूँ। तेरी बातों ने ये क्या कर दिया। कोई जगह ना पता जहाँ तू हो दिखा, तेरे नाम से शुरू है हर दुआ। तेरे नाम से नाम जुड़ा के, तेरी राह में शाम सजा के, रब तुझको मान लिया जो तेरे संग इश्क हुआ। तेरे नाम से नाम जुड़ा के, तेरी राह में शाम सजा के, रब तुझको मान लिया जो तेरे संग इश्क हुआ। तेरे संग, तेरे संग, तेरे संग इश्क हुआ। इश्क हुआ, इश्क हुआ। तेरे संग, तेरे संग, तेरे संग इश्क हुआ। Mm-hmm. नफासत नजाकत ये शौक ये शरारत ये नफासत नजाकत बहुत खूबसूरत हो, बहुत खूबसूरत हो। आप सर से पा तक दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम जाए, दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम जाए। तुम्हें हूर हूर किसी हूर हूर हाँ हूर साए पाए, दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूमता रह जाए। सबसे जुदा है तेरी अदाएं, दिल तेरा कायल हो ही गया। जुल्फे ये तेरी काली घटाएं, धूप में बादल मिल ही गया। ये तेरी निगाहें करम फरमा है, तू मुझ पे हुआ मेहरबान। मैं कैसे भुलाऊं आपकी नायत, बहुत खूबसूरत हो, बहुत खूबसूरत हो। आप सर से पा तक दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम जाए, दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम जाए। तुम्हें हूर हूर किसी हूर हूर हाँ हूर साए पाए, दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूमता रह जाए। बातें तेरी जैसे दुआएं, मैं इनमें शामिल हो ही गया। दिल में तुम्हारे थोड़ा सा हिस्सा हम मुझको हासिल हो ही गया। ये दिल भी तुम्हारा तुम्हारी तरह है, जो खुशियाँ मुझे दे रहा हो तुम जिस भी जगह पे, वहीं पे हो रौनक। बहुत खूबसूरत हो, बहुत खूबसूरत हो। आप सर से पा तक दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम जाए, दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम जाए। तुम्हें हूर हूर किसी हूर हूर हाँ हूर साए पाए, दिल झूम झूम दिल झूम झूम दिल झूमता रह जाए, झूमता रह जाए। खुदा अब बनाता नहीं ऐसे चेहरे, निगाहें ये जा जा के हाँ जिन पे ठहरे, जिन्हें देखने से मिले दिल को राहत। बहुत खूबसूरत हो, आप सर से पा तक मुलाकातें होती रहे, तू जो मेरे पास रहे, जादू सा यूं चलता रहे।
होना है जिससे वो हो जाने दो, खोना है इसे तो खो जाने दो। दूर से तो होगा नहीं, थोड़ा तो करीब आने दो।
लाखों मिले कोई भी ना तुमसा मिला, ओ मेरा ये दिल तेरी ओर चलता गया ना रुका। मेरे यारा, मेरे यारा, मान जाना मेरे यारा।
आके मुझे थाम ले, तू भी मेरा नाम ले।
मेरे यारा, मान जाना मेरे यारा। हाँ तेरा रंग जैसे इश्क वर्गा, इश्क का रंग तो है रब वर्गा। रब का रंग तो है पानी सा साफ, पानी का रंग तो है तेरी रूह वर्गा। ऊंची ऊंची दीवारों को इश्क की धूम रोज जलाए, उठता धुआं तो कैसे छुपाए। कजरा सियाही दिन रंग जाए, तेरी कस्तूरी रैन जगाए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। चाहे भी तो भूल न पाए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। मन मस्त मगन तेरा नाम दोहराए। बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। चाहे भी तो भूल न पाए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। मन मस्त मगन तेरा नाम दोहराए। तुझ संग सूखी रोटी भाए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। तो चाहे भी तो भूल न पाए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। मन मस्त मगन तेरा नाम दोहराए। माही मैनू संग तेरा ना हो के भी करीब तू हमेशा पास था के 100 जन्म भी देखता मैं तेरा रास्ता।
ना हो के भी करीब तू हमेशा पास था के 100 जन्म भी देखती मैं तेरा रास्ता।
जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया, जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया।
जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया, जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया। देखा ज़माना सारा भरम है, इश्क इबादत इश्क करम है, मेरा ठिकाना तेरी ही दहलीज़ हो। मैं हूँ दीवारे छत है पिया तू, रब की मुझे नेमत है पिया तू, मेरे लिए तू बरकत का तावीज़।
जरा कभी मेरी नजर से खुद को देख भी, है चाँद में भी दाग पर न तुझ में एक भी। खुद पे हक मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया, जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया।
जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया, जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया। मैनू चढ़िया इश्क में रंग तेरा एक हो गया, अंग मेरा अंग तेरा। रब मिलिया जद मिलिया, माही मैनू संग तेरा।
तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे। कि यार जो भी तूने कैसे किया रे, जिया को मेरे बांध ऐसे लिया रे, समझ के भी ना समझ मैं सकूं सवेरों का मेरे तू सूरज लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे। अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले मुझे, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया। दिल के नगर में शहर तू बसा ले पिया। छूने से तेरे हाँ तेरे फिक्रों को रंग लगे, तेरी दिशा में क्यों चलने से मेरे पैरों को पंख लगे। रहा मेरे काम का जग सारा, हो बस तेरे नाम से ही गुजारा। उलझ के यूं ना सुलझ ना सकूं, जुबानियाँ तेरी झूठी भी सच लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे। पिया अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले मुझे, अपना बना ले पिया। ओ सब कुछ मेरा चाहे, नाम अपने लिखा ले, बदले में इतनी तो यारी निभा ले। जग की हिरासत से मुझको छुड़ा ले, अपना बना ले, बस अपना बना ले। बेरंगे थे दिन, बेरंगी शामें आई है तुमसे रंगियां। फीके थे लम्हे जीने में सारे, आई है तुमसे नमकीनियाँ। बेइरादा रास्तों की बन गए हो मंजिले, मुश्किलें हल है तू ही से या तू ही हो मुश्किलें। तुम क्या मिले, तुम क्या मिले, हम ना रहे हम, तुम क्या मिले। जैसे मेरे दिल में खिले फागुन के मौसम, तुम क्या मिले, तुम क्या मिले, तुम क्या मिले, तुम क्या मिले, तुम क्या मिले। कोरे कागजों की तरह है इश्क बिना जवानियाँ।
दर्ज हुई है शाम
को पार किया, मोहब्बत में यूं हद को पार किया। तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया। दर्द की हदों को भी पार किया, दर्द की हदों को भी पार किया। तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, ओ तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया। तू मेरी थी मेरी है अगर खबर आ जाए, बेसब्रे से दिल को बेवक्त समर आ जाए। खुशी दे के तुमको गम उधार लिया, खुशी दे के तुमको गम उधार लिया। तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, ओ तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया। कैसी है ये जलन है कैसी, हालांकि दोनों में है वफा पहले सी। जो रंग तेरा है वो रंग है मेरा, कुछ मैं तेरे जैसा कुछ तू मेरे जैसी। जुदाई ने हमको इकसार किया, जुदाई ने हमको इकसार किया। तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, ओ तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया। मोहब्बत में यूं हद को पार किया, मोहब्बत में यूं हद को पार किया। ओ तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, ओ तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया। ना गले मिल फिर से फिर जरा चैन आए, ओ मेरे होठों पे फिर तेरे ही साए। बिन तेरे जीना भी मौत ही लगता है, या तू आ जाए या सांस भी ना आए। दुआओं में ऐसा इजहार किया, दुआओं में ऐसा इजहार किया। तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, ओ तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया। मोहब्बत में यूं हद को पार किया, मोहब्बत में यूं हद को पार किया। तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, ओ तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया। तैनू इतना मैं प्यार करां, एक पल विच सौ बार करां। तू जावे जे मैनू छड़ के, मौत दा इंतजार करां। कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। कुछ भी नहीं है ये जान, तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी। कुछ भी नहीं है ये जान, तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी। अब मुझको जाना है कहाँ के, तू ही सफर है आखिरी।
कि तेरे बिना जीना मुमकिन नहीं, ना देना कभी मुझको तू फासले। मैं तुझको कितना चाहती हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके।
तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके।
आँखों की है ये ख्वाहिशें कि चेहरे से तेरी ना हटे। नींदों में मेरी बस तेरी ख्वाबों ने ली है करवटें।
कि तेरी और मुझको लेके चले ये दुनिया भर के सब रास्ते। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके।
Hello, everybody. My name is Nirali Sharan. Today, we will be talking about the benefits of meditation, how it helps us to dig out the inner path, and how it helps to develop the outer strength. So today's topic has been divided in few parts. So once we talk about the meditation, how it starts is in our very fast-paced, constantly connected world. The simple act of sitting in stillness, and it may just seem counterintuitive, maybe even unproductive. But what if I told you that some of the most successful people, the calmest minds, and the most resilient spirits are all share one common habit? What is that habit? That habit is meditation. Meditation is not about escaping, it's about becoming more in tune with inside. So it's not just a wellness trend or spirituality luxury. Basically, it's a powerful, scientifically supported practice that enhances the quality of our life. And how it does that is it also help you in develop in every dimensions of your life, mentally, emotionally, physically, and even socially. Today, I'm going to explore the wide range of benefits that meditation provides us, how it impacts your brain, your body, your relationships, and even your sense of purpose. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who meditate occasionally, I hope by the end of this talk you will feel inspired to incorporate meditation in your life more constantly. So, topic number one, what does meditation give us? So it gives us mental clarity and focus. Let's begin with the mind. Meditation trains your mind in the same way that physical exercise train your body. One of the first and most noticeable benefits in is improving your focus and improving your concentration. In a world full of distractions, our attention spans are shrinking, as I'm sure you must be all be agreeing to this point. Study shows that average attention span has dropped significantly in the digital age. So, but how we can reverse it with the help of meditation? That is what we will be discussing about in detail. A regular mindfulness meditation has been shown to increase gray matter in the prefrontal cortex. So, in the part of our brain, there is prefrontal cortex, and how it helps us to develop that. The area of the brain associated with attention, number one, with planning and decision making. In simple terms, meditation strengthens the part of your brain and that helps you stay on the task, increasing your focus and your concentration. It also reduces activity in the default mode network. By that, what I mean is in the part of your brain which is responsible for your mind wandering, that means fewer moments lost in worry, in rumination, or daydreaming, like that. So, people who meditate regularly report that they are better able to focus, they're able to better take decisions, make their decisions more clearly, and even process information more efficiently. So, whether you are a student or a professional person, or just simply trying to stay mentally sharp, meditation is like a daily mental workout which you should be doing every day. Moving on to the further point number two, which is stress reduction and emotional resilience. Next, let's talk about one of the most well known and perhaps most cherished benefits of mental meditation, which is stress reduction. So, I'm sure everybody in this today's world is very stressed out, and how we can reduce the stress with the help of meditation, that is what we will be discussing further. So, moving forward, when you meditate, your body enters a state of deep relaxation and your heart rate slows down, your breathing becomes more regular, and your levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which is it begins to drop. So, slowly, gradually, the cortisol drops, and you feel very calm and you feel very peaceful from inside. Moving further, but the real magic happens with regular practice. So meditation should be made a practice every day. Moving ahead, what exactly, how we can get more benefits out of it? Over time, meditation actually rewires your brain. So what it does is, in the brain, it just rewires it, rejuvenates it, to become less reactive to stress. So whenever you're stressed out, your body, your mind is stressed out, meditation helps you to relax the stress levels. So you are building, how it does that, it strengthens areas like the anterior cingulate cortex in your brain, which helps you regulate your emotions, and shrinks the amygdala. So what is amygdala? The amygdala is the fear center part of your brain, this line here, right? So what does that mean in real life? How can you relate this theory to the real life? It means that even when stressful situation arises, right, you are more likely to stay calm. You will not get very angry, you will not get impulsive, you will stay calm, you will stay grounded and in control. You are building emotional resilience. The What is emotional resilience here? The ability to bounce back from setbacks, from stressful situations, or face challenges with courage. So let's say if you trigger a challenge in your life, if you face some challenge, you are easily able to get out of it, because then now your cortisol level has dropped, you have better thinking power, and you don't get overwhelmed so easily with ups and downs of life, because you've got a good command and good control over your body, your mind, and your inner soul also. Physical health benefits. So how, moving forward, this is very important point here, how it helps us physically. So now from the mind we are shifting to the body, right? The benefits, how it is going to be beneficial to our body. So meditation is not just mental practice, it has profound benefits as well on our physical health. So how we will be getting the benefits? Here are a few points that we would like to discuss in detail. It lowers your blood pressure to start with, number one. So it lowers your blood pressure, and how it does that, studies have actually scientifically proved and shown that the meditation can reduce your blood pressure by relaxing your nerve signals, actually the nerve signals that coordinate heart function and your blood vessels tension. Point number two, better sleep. So what it does to our sleep is, people who meditate, they report often falling asleep more easily. So before, let's say if you were facing insomnia, or if you were having issues sleeping, now people who do the meditation report that they are able to sleep properly without any anxiety pills, or whether taking those sleep pills that make you fall asleep faster. So moving forward, what it also does is, it gives you more restful sleep. So instead of you feeling restless and waking up after a few hours, it just gives you very, very peaceful and restful sleep. What else does it help us with? So it helps us with, third point is, stronger immune system. Mindfulness, regular meditation can improve immune response, and making your body better to fight off illness. So in the case of disease, your illness, it gives you better immune system, and you are able to fight it better and recover out of it very easily and very quickly. Moving forward, what else does it help? How, like, physically it helps us? Pain reduction. So mindfulness has shown to reduce the perception of pain. So when you are in pain and you are meditating, your mindfulness shows you how to reduce the pain. The perception in your brain is that you are not feeling too much pain. So even the chronic pain conditions, in some cases, meditation is as effective as medication is in managing pain. So it just helps you manage your pain levels also. But perhaps most importantly, meditation helps regulate the nervous system. It activates, what it does is it actually activates your nervous system, your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and for digestion. So, this counters the fight or flight response in your body and brings your body back into a state of balance where your whole body is into a good balance. In essence, meditation supports your body's natural healing processes. It's not magic, right? It is just normal science, and it's incredibly effective also, and it's scientifically proven how it helps you lower all your stress levels, and how it is just helping you to calm down. Moving forward, we will now be talking about emotional intelligence and self awareness. So, meditation also improves your relationship with the most important person in your life, which is who? Your husband, your father, your daughter, your family members? No, it is just you, yourself. The first important person that you should have the best relationship with is yourself. So, though regular meditation, you begin to develop through the regular meditation, you begin to develop emotional intelligence. So, your emotional intelligence, which is the ability to recognize, to understand, and manage your own emotions, and also to empathize. Empathizing today in this world, today's world, is very, very important. So, it helps you to empathize with the emotions of other people, of your family members, of your colleagues, and of your friends, etc., etc. So this happens. Why does this happen? So this happens because meditation increases your self-awareness. You start to observe your thoughts, your feelings, without being swept away. So what I am trying to explain is that you do not just move away or get overwhelmed with these things. You have a good calm and control over yourself, and you begin to notice patterns, right? So patterns in your behavior, in that triggers you and that set you off, and also habits that are no longer serving you enough. You also develop a great sense of self compassion, which is very important in today's world. So instead of being your harshest critic for your own self, you become your own best friend. So you start talking to yourself, your inner self, and you just take yourself as your best friend, someone who can acknowledge mistakes without shame and grow from them. So there is no harm in today's world. As you must be knowing, nobody wants to accept their mistakes because everybody is in their own self ego. So what meditation does is it just puts you on the ground, right? It groundeds you, and you are able to just accept your mistakes without having any sort of shame, and you grow from them basically. So these changes ripple outward. What I mean by that is, as you become more in tune with your own self, your interactions with others start improving, with your family members, with your colleagues, with your friends, with your teachers. It just starts improving in a nice way. You listen more deeply because you are not impulsive. You do listening more deeply, you listening carefully, and you respond more thoughtfully. So while giving your response, you respond more thoughtfully and connect more authentically. Instead of faking things, you connect with people more authentically. So in this way, meditation enhances your inner, not just the inner peace, but it also improves outer harmony in your relationship. So harmony as well as your inner peace, it improves both these things. Moving forward, we will be now talking about creativity and insight. So what I mean by that is how it can help us to build our creativity and our insightfulness. So now let's talk about something a little more abstract but incredibly powerful, right? Because it is really important tool. Creativity and insight are really important tools for you to excel in your human life. And how you can do that is meditation. By meditating, what it does is meditation allows space for ideas to emerge, right? So when your mind is constantly occupied, you are not giving yourself rest, and when you're completely occupied, like filled with noise or filled with too much of information and to-do list, like you want to do this, you want to do that, you have a to-do list, you want to just keep running around, then it does not have room to create, like creativity. Okay, because your mind is completely occupied and you are not getting chance to do any sort of creativity. But when you start meditating, and but in stillness, right, when you start meditating, you are in a posture of stillness, new connections form. Okay, with who? With your own self. What you do is creativity breaks through. Okay, in your mind, in your ideas, and your insights arise, your insights develop. So many artists you must have seen in today's world, many artists, many writers, many entrepreneurs, they do a lot of meditation, and they give credit to meditation for helping them solve very, very complex problems, like generate ideas and think outside the box. So they actually feel all these things in their mind, in their creativity, and even in their outcomes. So even like a short meditation session can help you relax, increase your divergent thinking, right? The ability to come up with many possible solutions to one problem. So in earlier, let's say, if you before the meditation stage, if you were stuck with the problem and if you're not able to think about it, now after meditation, what it does is you start actually thinking. Okay, your brain opens up, you start thinking creatively, and it also in like even to one your once problem, you're able to find a lot of solutions because your brain has opened up. Moving forward, now we will talk about the sixth point, which is spiritual growth. So how it can help you rise in your spiritual level, like move upper in your life. So spiritual growth and connection, for many meditation, for many, right, like a lot of people, meditation is not just a mental or physical practice. What it does is it's like a spiritual journey. For me, it is a spiritual journey. So you don't have to follow a specific religion or belief system when you're meditating to experience the benefits of the spiritual benefits of meditation. It is just simply helping you to connect with something greater, the universe basically. So whether that's the present moment, at the moment, or the universe, the nature surrounded with you, around you, or deep part of yourself, like your own inner self, meditation fosters a sense of oneness as in like you look within. Okay, of being connected to life in a profound way, in like a big way. It also helps you cultivate gratitude. So it helps you to create gratitude in your inner self for this higher universe, compassion, a lot of compassion towards others, and a sense of purpose, because it gives you meaning to your life, a sense of purpose that goes beyond your personal success. Also, what else does it do? It helps you align, right? The inner alignment can give life a richer meaning, a higher purpose of life, and you begin to live not just on autopilot mode, but you actually are having a lot of awareness and intention in your way of talking, in your way of living, in your relationships, and etc. Moving forward, the seventh point today we will be talking about is the accessibility and the simplicity. So how it can help us to do that? One of the best things about meditation is it is accessible to everyone, right? So in today's world, we all have social media, we all have like access to YouTube and to a lot of quotations and everything. So it is there, right? It is accessible for everyone. You don't need special equipment where we just Google or we just put it on YouTube and you're able to see it. You don't need to specifically buy any equipment to do your meditation. Any expensive classes is not required, right? Or any perfect environment. It can be done at home, in your office, or in your park, wherever you feel comfortable or wherever you find time. You don't have to specifically buy anything, or you don't specifically have to go to a particular space or a place and do your meditation there. Can just do anywhere basically. And all you need is just few minutes and a willingness to show up, right? Because it is a daily practice. You cannot just do meditation one day and then disappear for 2 days and then again come back and do 2 days. So it has to be done in a pattern, it has to be done in a loop for you to feel that benefit. So you have to show up every day, right? You have to keep it as a regular habit. How you can meditate? You can meditate with while sitting. Okay, any posture is absolutely fine. So you can either sit down, either do your walking, either do lying down, or even walking while dishes, right? Even when you are like washing your dishes, it's absolutely fine. You can do it at even during then. So whether you practice breath awareness or body scanning or loving kindness or mantra meditation is absolutely fine. Only the key is the consistency. So you could do the chanting, you could observe your breath, you can observe your surroundings, you can observe your body movements. Absolutely anything is fine. It is just that you need to be very, very consistent. Okay, moving forward. And yes, one more thing. You have to just start very slowly. So start small. You can do 5 to 10 minutes to start with, and then slowly you can make it noticeable difference, right, over a time. And then once you become regularly, you can just try to increase your duration, increase your timing, which will give you deeper benefits, even more benefits. And also remember, it's called practice for a reason, right? So it's not about doing it perfectly. It is about showing up over and over again and meeting yourself where you are. So again and again, you have to just create that self-awareness and keep doing it again and again. So we are now heading towards the conclusion of this of today's conversation. I'm just recapping everything what we have just discussed, and we will then conclude the benefits of the meditation. So meditation helps you improve your mental clarity, reduces your stress levels, supports your health, enhances your emotional intelligence, boosts your creativity, deepens your spiritual connection, and it's available to you anytime and wherever you want to. Correct? I'm sure everybody will agree with me on this. It's not a quick fix. Basically, you cannot just fix in 1 or 2 days. It's not a miracle cure also. You cannot just ask, do meditation and expect some sort of miracles. So you have to go slow, but remember, it is a very, very powerful tool, and it's one that millions of people around the world, from CEOs, from monks, to everyday individuals, rely on to live better and fuller, calmer lives. Okay, so you could be anybody, but you just have to try and utilize it, practice it every single day, and you will be able to see the benefits every time. So moving forward, what else does it do? So if you have never meditated before, I would encourage you to try it and start taking it as a regular practice. Just a few minutes a day should be good to start with. Start small. Be patient. You might be surprised by how quickly things begin to shift, how you are able to see the noticeable difference after meditating. And if you've tried before but drifted it away, like so you've started and if you've not been able to be consistent, if you if you started and if you it just fell apart, your schedule fell apart and you had to stop it for any reason, what you can do is again start it, come back. It's never late to begin again, right? You can again come back and keep doing it and try to be more consistent in the loop. Meditation doesn't promise a perfect life. So I'm not saying that once you start meditating, you will have a perfect life. No, but it will give you a very, very clear mind, clearer heart, a calmer heart, a clearer mind, and a stronger more of yourself to present you. So you'll have more clarity, more concentration, more focus, more ability to make a better decisions, and better creativity, better insights. Just discussing about all the points that we just went through. And in today's world that is constantly asking you to do more and more and more, and where we are juggling, we are fighting with our own issues. So meditation will help you just to simply be yourself and connect with the higher Lord, higher universe, higher purpose, and fill you with a lot of positivity. So thanking you all for this lovely session. My name is Nirali Sharan. I'm a nutrition and fitness coach. Thank you again. Bye.